What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today's video is just gonna be a normal one. Don't worry, I'm not gonna talk anymore about that I'm not happy with my channel and stuff like that. Don't worry, we'll just get straight to the point this time. But just one really quick announcement is that I'm gonna make another video after this where I'm gonna show two new phones that I have in my collection. Um, and you're probably well, why didn't you make that video earlier? Well, this video hasn't been delayed, but the video about that I'm gonna make after this with the two phones that I got in my collection is majorly delayed. I should have made it in two parts. One of the phones I got in the beginning of January, like I think like the 5th of January or something, really long time ago, like a month ago. And I still haven't done anything with it yet. I got it 3 weeks ago, still haven't done anything with it except for charging it, so yeah. I didn't get a chance to make a video for that. It was pretty freaking busy that week. I mean, it's New Year, so yeah, a little bit of income. It's currently February, so less worries, I guess. Apart from that, my birthday is already done. My birthday is long done. And you're probably, well, why didn't you make a stuff that I got from my birthday video? Well, because none of them is phones, and I think you guys are probably not gonna be interested. So yeah. Anyways, with that out of the way, let's get to this video. By the way, no editing in this. So, here are all my Huawei phones. One, two. That's it. My Huawei P8 and P20 Lite. So the first one that I got was the P8, which I have right here. It's an absolutely horrible shape, but the phone itself looks absolutely amazing in my opinion. Has multiple cracks up the top. Well, you will see the cracks in the display in a minute when I turn it on. Oh my goodness, it looks bad. And worst of all, the issue that's worst out of all, is that the charging port is really bad. Let me just get a charger. It sticks in this far. It doesn't go any further. I can't push it any further. And it doesn't charge. It only charges with some cables. Yes, I know. It sucks and I should repair it. I know. Look, it just does not charge. It doesn't do anything. So yeah, the phone sometimes charges, but when I got it, it was so damaged that I couldn't get it to charge. Like, the cable didn't fit. It didn't fit. I had to clean out the charging port or otherwise the phone would never turn on. Thankfully, the battery life is pretty okay, considering age. Same goes for the P20 Lite. But I'm not gonna get the case for this. I do want to replace the screen at some time and the entire housing and the charging port, which is gonna be quite a lot of cost, quite a lot of time and quite a lot of money. But the main problem is I can't get these screws out. If anyone knows what screwdriver I need for this, I do have screwdrivers in this little weird hexagonal shape, and none of them fit. So yeah, it also looks like someone is sticking the charging port in the wrong way, but I don't know. Next up is the much better condition Huawei P20 Lite that I use daily. It has some minor scratches at the screen, but other than that the only damage is at the charging port, that it's slightly scuffed up. But the charging port itself works perfectly fine. It's USB-C, has great battery life, really pretty freaking good battery life for its age. Better than the phone my dad had back in 2018. When this phone came out, and the back is in brand new condition, because when I got this phone it still had the little protective layer on the back. Can you believe that? Oh my goodness, it looks so gorgeous. It looks super good. Plus the phone is not even made out of plastic. This is solid aluminum. So I'm gonna put that back before I scratch up anything, because lots of people on the internet say that the back glass cracks and scratches really easily. So yeah, I'm a really lucky boy with this thing. So yeah, this thing has no problems, which is good since it's a newer device. But not that the Huawei P8 is any less good, because oh, it's still on. The P8 takes amazing pictures, consider its age. You know what? Let's turn on the P8. So let's get to the ringtones. Let's turn them on. By the way, both of these phones have really good displays. I don't know what it is with Huawei's displays, but they look so close to AMOLED. They look so good. I mean, As you can see, the black levels aren't too good. Um, but on the P20 Lite, it looks so good. Like, the screen on my P20 Lite is literally better than on my main phone. I'm not kidding. So I'll first do the ringtones on the P8. There we go. It's already booted up. This the P8 has actually quite an old Android version. It just has Android 5, but I gotta say, this phone still feels really premium. Look, this phone is so huge. Just look at it. The premium metal on the back has just gone glossy because of its usage. That's so bad. Like, this phone needs a freaking case. Oh, a little laggy. Hey, now it's nice and smooth. Um, Unless on the phone, on the camera, it's not even set to that bright. Also, really funny, ultra battery. I know. I kind of like this notification shade, but also don't, because it looks a lot like MIUI, like the really old MIUI, and I don't like the old MIUI one. It kind of feels sluggish, but I think that's how it should feel. So yeah, let's go to settings and go to ringtone. So I got this phone along with a Galaxy A40 a long time ago. No, not a long. I got this in the summer of 2021, just like my Galaxy A40, which I gave to a friend that needed a new phone because the A40 is just way too freaking new. He had an A10 at the time, and yeah, he just needed a new phone. He really did. But now he has a Galaxy A32, so but he does still use it a lot since it has a beautiful AMOLED display. So here we go. Let's turn that down. Oh, that's a Huawei tune. Let's go first with this. Also, this thing has really freaking good speakers, I think. They're a little quiet. Yeah, there we go. Enjoy. Oh man, the speaker's broken, I think. I can feel it vibrating, but it doesn't pump out a good amount of sound. I still love the generic look at the bottom. It looks like some kind of OnePlus phone or something, especially with this ringtone. Hey, that's a Huawei tune, but just on actual guitar. Yeah, I can hear some distortion in the speaker. It's pretty freaking rad. Damn, the guy who wore this phone, absolutely. Oh, I love that one. I'm gonna set this as my alarm clock. Oh man, it's gonna be my alarm clock. That's ridiculous. That's oh, I cringed there. That's the best. Turn it up. Can you feel the entire phone just shaking around because of the speaker? Who would said that? Wait a minute. Who would said that as a ringtone on such a premium phone like this? This was the highest end Huawei you could get. It's not the P8 Lite. Who would said this as a ringtone? Or even on like the cheapest shittiest phone ever. Even if you have gotten like a LG 110G, yes, this will be the perfect ringtone. But a Huawei P8, no. Even more ridiculous. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. No, I don't want to go to the brow. Oh my goodness, I hate that UI. The Huawei P20 Lite is so much better in terms of UI than this. Keep a sight on the battery. Probably my favorite. I'm gonna set the bounce one, since it makes this thing look like a freaking OnePlus X or something, or whatever Huawei or OnePlus phones we have today. I mean, they're two Chinese brands, so yeah, let's take a look at the sides. It's not in all too good shape, as you can see. It's really in bad shape, especially the SIM card slots, because they just can be taken right out. No SIM card tool needed, which is on one hand pretty good, but on the other hand really bad. Because if you drop this while calling, well, maybe your SIM card will survive. Your phone will be screwed up, that's for sure. Never do that. The beautiful power button. I mean, I really love this phone, but yeah, it's just in real bad shape. It looks a lot like a Xiaomi Mi 4 or like a Mi 4 Plus or something. Oh, that one. Oh my goodness. I heard it all the time on the streets. This is, oh my goodness, yes, the speaker is broken. This is the tone that I heard on my Huawei P20 Lite when I turned on the battery saver. Hey, that's a nice one. Oh man, my mom used to love one of those. That one is pathetic. The speaker is pretty fucked up on this. Oh, I like that one. It's just simple. This is what you call a drip, stupid society. I kind of like that. Hey, that's a knockoff from Samsung. Oh man, I love that one. Thanks, Huawei. Oh my goodness, that's my friend's. Oh my goodness. That is my friend's. Oh, I can't believe it. That is my friend's message tone. He gets so many messages, and every time we hear this, it's. I love that. I thought he downloaded it from the internet, but no. Thank you, Huawei. Oh man. There's some lovely ones in here. I mean, the ringtone's pretty disappointing, but the notification sounds. I hate summer. Don't even let me think about it. The little flute one. This is the iconic boy. No, I'm gonna set the one that my friend has. Damn, what an icon. Oh, there's some touch noises. And a screen lock sound, which is super quiet. Listen closely. That's what you hear. Yeah, I love this one. It has what EMUI version is on this. Let's just take a look. Updater. So GRA-L09. It has no updates available, and it's running EMUI 3.1. I think they actually changed the naming scheme. I think it's EMUI 9 that's on my Huawei P20 Lite because it's on Android 9 and it runs Android 6 or Android 5. Has 3 gigs of RAM. 3 gigs of RAM is absolutely ridiculous for Android 6 or Android Yeah, Android 6 also, but for Android 5, 3 gigs of RAM is pretty ridiculous. That's ridiculously high. I have a phone laying around that has the half of that runs good on Android 5. Damn. This phone has never been updated, that's why it's so quick. High Silicon Kirin 930. Still a really quick phone, I gotta say. It's a real good one. The only bad thing is that people are having battery issues, and I have this charging port issue. But as you saw, it only drained an entire percent in what I did. So yeah, it's pretty okay. So let's turn this sucker off. Ain't gonna do like a demonstration of the entire UI and stuff like that. But yeah, I don't have time for that. This is just purely the ringtones and just a quick look. Or just a better look. Here's my Huawei P20 Lite, which is much flatter than this. But let me just clean my camera. I cleaned my entire phone just a few minutes ago. Oh, I have it set to HD. That's a problem. This case, I bought this case my own. The original case was also flip case, but it was in really bad shape. So you just swipe up, gets foggy, and then it slides. Why does the screen look so bad in real life on camera? It looks amazing in real life. Stupid camera. It looks absolutely incredible in real life for an LCD. Holy crap, it's sharp. Holy shit. It also has Google Now this time. Going to settings. This thing is so fast. This has a Kirin 650, I think. 665? Not even sure. System. This thing is set to English, by the way. P20 Lite. EMUI 9.1. I said it, they just named it after the Android version. High Silicon Kirin 9659, 4 gigs of RAM instead of 3, 64 gigabytes of storage, nice. 1080p display, security patch 2021, so it's not even that old. For 2018 phone, I want to say Volt. For a 2018 phone, that's pretty freaking good. Gonna check if I have any updates. This thing also has a 1080p display, by the way. It looks almost as good as the P20 Lite. Look how many YouTube messages I'm getting. It's ridiculous. Oh, it's up to date. Okay. Look, this is how many messages I get. Even more than that. It does have some updates available, but those are not Android updates. So yeah. Let's go to sounds and do some ringtones. Oh, that's a media. That's nice. It does the media instead of the stupid calls thing. It's also dual SIM, by the way. Well, let's see. Oh no, not the living one. Oh man, that's a stupid one. Oh, so that's a new noise. Jesus, it's loud. Yep, this thing definitely doesn't have a broken speaker like the P8, or just a blown speaker or whatever. People that complain about the speaker of this thing, man, this is an excellent phone. Like for a light model, this wasn't a cheap phone, you know, it was $320 so, but still. Damn, we still have that one. Still the dream, just like a P8. Seriously? Fuck off. You see why this is my second phone? It's because it's very good. Huawei tune clean. Damn, the speaker sounds good on this. Yes, I have battery saving mode enabled, don't worry. Yes, it has that tone too. Oh yeah. I'm gonna set this as like my alarm clock, since this one has a good speaker. What update do I have? Oh, there we go. Oh, so that's the Huawei tune one. Oh, I think that's the newest one. Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, that's the newest Huawei tune. I like that. Oh, that was Westlake. Great. No, 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 no. On such an... Look at the notch and everything. It's so premium. And then you hear this. It's ridiculous. Focus, bitch. Wait, let me just lock the focus on my phone. There we go. Damn, the screen looks so good on this. Huawei phones are perfect for grandmas and grandpas because of these ringtones. That's not a bad thing. Give your old P8 to your grandma and the P20 to your grandpa. Just kidding. I'm gonna set this that this has the ringtone. How far do these ringtones actually go back? I'm starting to wonder, but I don't have any Huawei phones left, so... Oh, they changed the whistle one. Oh, I love that one, though. Sketchy. I can't do that. I can't do that with my fingers. That one is relaxing. No. Yeah, I locked the focus on my phone, so my hand looks weird, I know. It's because I locked the phone to this. And this is what I heard when I put it in the battery saving mode. Bongo Cat. How hard does it vibrate? I love these Chinese phones, like I really do. Probably gonna ask if I can get my uncle's old phone, which is a Xiaomi Mi 4, or some kind of Mi 4. You know, I think it's a Redmi 4. I'm not even sure. Jesus, it still has the arrow one. I like that. Yeah, it still has the good one. I wonder if the P50 has this, which is the newest one. Well, the official newest one is the P40 Pro Plus. That's the best one that you can probably get in Europe. But I'm not sure. I think the P50 is still just an announcement, or the P50 is only available in like China or something. Like that's something that Xiaomi does. Hey, it still has. Oh wow. It still has a lot of ones. Ouch, my ears. That one is new. Hey, it still has a good one. Thank you, Huawei. Yes, it still has it. my friend also has a Huawei phone. The same friend that has his ringtone. He has a Huawei Y5S. It looks a bit like this phone, but it has slightly bigger bezel at the bottom and it has a teardrop notch instead of whatever you call this. That one is new too. Oh, I don't want it to set to that. I want the good old Bongo Cat. I actually need to set it to the same one my friend has, but I'm not gonna do that since I do get frequent messages on this phone. Plus, it also has a notification LED. Oh, let me just turn off the focus. This thing also has a notification LED. Same goes for the P8. Oh, I actually want to turn on the P8 again. There we go. So, hope you enjoyed this quick video about the Huawei P20 Lite and the P8 ringtones, and have a great day.